Mag-try, gumala naman tayo. Ano ba yan? Nabubird naman ako.
Eto, sakto, may nakita ka. Tingnan mo.
Ganda, di ba ako nakapunta dyan?
Save. What if pumunta tayo?
Tara.
Tara, ikaw, Doy.
Punta tayo.
Tingnan.
Tinatawag ako.
Nung alin?
Nino.
Tinatawag ako ng bundok. Hello everyone, my name is Dwayne Gutierrez from San Mateo campus and I'll be your tour guide for today's vlog gala. So for our first location, here we are at Casa Peregrine that can be found here at San Mateo, Rizal.
Casa Peregrine is open every day from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. For only 50 pesos, you can enter their vicinity and enjoy the view of Sierra Madre. Their activities cost 100 pesos per course per person, but only cost 250 pesos per person for the full course. Note that there is no signal at the place. So what are you waiting for? Plan your weekend now to chill and relax here at Casa Peregrine. Tara, balik tayo sa nakaraan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa bayan ng Morong upang bisitahin ang Museo Pambayan ng Morong. So makikita po natin dito ang mga artifacts na galing sa sinaunang panahon. Ito po ay galing sa World War II. Sa walls naman po makikita natin ang history ng Morong, kung saan mula sa pagkasakop ng Amerikano at Hapon at kung paano ito naka-apekto sa bayan ng Morong. The Morong Museum is for everyone, especially to people who likes to learn. The museum was established to showcase the history and culture of the river people and lakeshore dwellers in Laguna Lake. I will not spoil any more info, so I suggest you guys visit the museum for yourself. So for our third location, here we are at Mangantila Cafe and Restaurant that can be found here at Taras. Ang Mangantila ay galing sa Kapampang salita na mangan, which means to eat. As you enter the place, you will see mahogany trees that recreates forest-like ambience. Eh ano pa ang pinunta natin kung hindi tayo kakain? Tara, tikman natin! We ordered a slice of coffee cashew cake and chocolate cheesecake, a set of buko pandan, peach mango float, and Philippine favorite dessert, halo-halo. This cafe and restaurant is open 24/7, offering a mix of Filipino and Asian cuisine, a perfect spot for any meal during day or night. Kung gusto mong kumain habang napapaligiran ng magandang view, you should visit Mangantila Cafe and Restaurant.
So our tour ends here and I hope you enjoyed and be more motivated to visit our tourist attractions here at Rizal. My name is Dwayne and I hope to see you again to our next vlog gala. See you!
Ang ganda, di pa ako nakapunta dyan.
Save. What if pumunta tayo?
Saka tayo?
Tara, ikaw, Doy.
Ano, alam ko ba? Pwede pang punta.
Tara, saan ka punta?
Tinatawag ako
Nino.
ng kalikasan na ina ko.